It's my pleasure, and I'm very happy to say that we have successfully completed the fourth edition of Pargad Run marathon run. And Stoff has been associated with this run for many years. This is the fourth year we are doing it, and I'm happy to say that the growth, what we are saying, the development is tremendous. I think the organizers are doing a good job in this, and I see the increase in the participant year after year. I remember the first year we had nearly 200, and this year we have crossed more than 1,000 participants, and I'm confident it will keep growing in the future. The main purpose of this event was to bring in the awareness of environment, and other thing was to bring in the awareness of physical fitness. And today when we saw the participant, we had kind of kids from 8 years old to elderly women who were more than 68 and 69 years, and I think that is for us a very big achievement, because we see the interest from small kids to the elderly people, and that is the main intention of this event. I am also happy to say that this year we saw many small kids participating in this event, and I think they are the future of this country and also the future for this event. So more the kids participate, more we will have them in future. So I think I'm very confident this event will go on for next years to come. And as Stoff, as a corporate company, I assure that we'll keep contributing whatever best we can do for this event. And I'm confident Outplay organization and the people of Pargad, I think I would really like to congratulate and thanks the people of Pargad who have gone all the way to support this event. We have been here since yesterday evening, and the kind of support and the kind of help I have got from all the people from the Pargad is very appreciative. The Outplay team has done a very magnification job, and I'm confident that they will keep doing that. I also would like to thank the political version of this, because we have the ex-MLA, the present MLA, and also the collector of this region participating the event for the whole time today. That shows the interest all the political leaders also have in this event. And as we started this event, the main intention was to conserve the environment, and I feel that with the involvement of the political leaders and the interests and of all the people and all the participants and all the organization, I'm confident this event will go far ahead, and that will bring in a lot of more development for this beautiful place of Pargad. Pargad is a place which is such a good place, and it was not developed in a proper way in last so many years. But I think such event which now are on the state level, because we had people coming from different parts of the state, we also had people coming from different states like Karnataka, and I'm confident that in coming years this event can also be on national level. So I once again thanks all the participants, the organizers, and also all the Pargad people who supported us, and I hope that this will continue and we will be producing some national level marathon runners in the future. Thank you. All the best.